Welcome to this meditation for connecting with animals. To make a deep connection with animals, we must learn to quiet ourselves, not only with our speech, but with our thoughts, so that we can really hear the animals. So please, close your eyes and begin to quiet the mind. You can do this by just watching your thoughts pass by, letting them come and go. Animals are more than willing to help us. We just have to put in the effort to hear them. In your mind, imagine an animal you love. It could be a dear pet or an animal that you like. Clearly see them in your imagination. Notice their body movements. What color are they, and how do their eyes connect with yours? Look deeply into the eyes of this animal and share a connection. This creature is offering a unique and profound opportunity for healing and growth. Perhaps you may feel the love coming from this animal. Animals are natural mood enhancers. Watching a dog roll in the grass or playing with a kitten can bring you joy.